Hey y'all, we are on our way back home. We just got the kids food. I'm about to go home and eat, and then I have to go to the post office and then go shop for Taylor's school supplies.
I'm coming too.
I feel so frazzled right now. I don't know why. Like, I feel so frazzled. Like, I just got so many thoughts running through my head. I have to eat. I have calls lined up for later on today. I gotta go to the post office.
Girl, just push through.
And this is why God sent CJ to my husband, because he'd be like, just chill out.
It ain't that serious.
It do be, babe. I don't know if I'm nervous because I just left the school.
Stressing over like eating, like not knowing what to eat, or it can be something.
We all women stress over not knowing what to eat. Are you kidding me?
Let me
reword it. Always.
Let me reword it.
Stop fussing now. Let it go, Taylor. Cam, let it go. Give it back to her.
She will stress over not finding time to eat. This is crazy.
My battery died. I don't know if it's because Taylor's about to go to school.
Like, I just cut it.
Or... Hey y'all, so I am at Dollar Tree. I'm about to go in and see what things they have for school supplies for Taylor. My battery on my camera is super low. I'm tired. You guys can probably see it in my eyes, but excuse me, I'm about to head in here and we're just gonna have to show you a haul after we get back home. Someone sent Taylor some packages in Camden, so if you're watching, thank you so much. We're sending you hugs. Taylor, say thank you.
Thank you.
She's so excited. We haven't opened them yet. We literally just picked them up from the post office and we're about to go finish the school shopping now. So
Yeah, we're getting Christmas shopping. So my guess what? So you know.
Hello, you guys. Yo, these bees are really trying to get CJ. We are at the zoo. There's so many bees out here. But they put their signal on you, didn't they?
They better stop playing with me.
It's bees everywhere, like for real. Oh God, oh God, you just gotta keep it moving. Oh God, babe. Babe, seriously? Come on, Taylor.
You've been bothering me all day.
Oh my God. Come on, Taylor. Come on, come on, come on. Sheesh. Y'all, it's really bees everywhere. Okay.
Oh my God, what is it here?
Come on, Cam. Keep it moving. Because these bees are not playing. Right here, Mama. Look.
Oh my God.
Look, Taylor.
What is that?
Look. Come here. She's asking all the questions. It's right here. It's right. It'll tell you right here. This is a meerkat.
Oh, I see it right there.
Y'all, we've been trying to get to the zoo for so long, so I'm super excited that we're able to take them today. You see him, Cam?
Coming out of a little hole, ain't it?
Say hi, duck.
Hi, duck. What is that, duck? It's that
They trying to eat. You can give them, just give them one. Just one. Drop it. Look, he coming to get it. Drop another one. No, just give him one. Look, see? You see him coming for it? Back up, Cam. Back up, Cam, before he hit your face. Come on, let's go. Come on, we gonna feed the other one. Come on. Come on, this way. Look at the monkey across there. You see him? Look up here. Look, Cam. On the, I don't know what that's called. Do you see them over there? Look across the water. You see the monkeys over there? Come on, let's go. She look like us. Her outfit is just like mine. You, girl. Look at your shirt. Y'all.
Hi.
Look at your shirt, Mama.
Mommy.
Right? No, they don't eat that. They eat grass. They eat grass. They don't eat that. Come on.
I'm hungry.
Give him some, Cam.
Put it in your hand.
No, babe, because they'll bite their fingers.
No, man.
Yes, it will bite their
See,
fingers.
as long as that tongue coming out. Put some in your hand.
No, don't, Taylor.
Put some in your hand.
No, you put some of yours. Don't tell my kids to do that. What's wrong with this dude, y'all?
You not gonna share?
Look, he like, let me go ahead then. You gonna act like that to me. Look. Look. Look, he wants some. This is a kid. He's a kid. Give him some, Cam. Taylor, let Cam do it. Let Cam do it, Cam. Go ahead.
Ew!
Yeah, this is funny, man.
It's okay, I'll feed you.
Huh, girl.
Man, you wasting food by Robbie.
You better get out my face. Move, CJ.
Get the camera for you, Robbie, because you so nervous right now.
Huh, girl.
Yeah, like that.
I'm not doing that, so stop.
Ew, he's lying.
Ooh.
Put something in my hand, honey.
Ooh.
That's enough.
Look, she came for some. Babe, go ahead, give him some. Go ahead. He like, alright. Aww. Alright, Taylor. Say something for the other one, animals. You used a lot of yours. Oh, they're cute.
She's friendly.
Y'all are so cute. You're so, look at her lashes.
Oh,
I want to take a picture.
come
back.
They're trying to eat you?
Yeah.
They're trying to eat you.
They're not trying to eat.
Yeah, it is pretty cute.
Well, see, look at his tongue.
I mean, it's cute, but it's...
Watch his tongue.
Look him. Y'all, we done found another turtle. This one going home with us.
Yeah. Fast. Go ahead, pick it up, man.
Get it, Cam.
Get it.
I will. No, nothing. No. There you get it. You get
I'm gonna
it.
get it. Come here.
No, Dad, stop.
Babe, stop scaring him.
Get it, get it.
Come on, let's go. Babe, stop, because every time he gets scared.
Dad, get his wings from here. Dad, wow.
Girl.
No.
Girl, you think you on a
Go
TV
get it.
show?
Go get it.
She thinks she on a TV show right now.
Pick it up by the shelf. On the side. Come on, man, so we can give it a good home. Take it home. What?
I need you to do it.
It's coming for your ankles right now.
Go ahead.
Come on,
get it.
girl.
That's what I thought. Doing all that, but I need you to do it. Come on, eat.
Y'all, we are almost back home now. I am exhausted. Like, I just want to close my eyes. And it's honestly, we picked the best day ever to go to the zoo because it's like super cloudy outside. We thought it was gonna rain, but it didn't rain at all. So there was a breeze and everything, and it could have been like a really hot day that we decided to go. So I'm so glad the weather was the way it was, but I'm still like super drained. Like, I just want to go to sleep. I hope the kids are asleep. They're talking a lot right now, so there's no telling. I know CJ's sleepy. He has to cut the grass too. Cam, you gonna help Daddy cut the grass?
Never.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I
That's your sweet boy. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. I got me a salad right here with shrimp and chicken, but honestly, I'm so sleepy, I don't even feel like eating first. Have you ever been that sleepy? He's like, I don't even feel like eating. Like, that's how tired I am. And we got some smoothies. They're called Pop, Lock, and Tropic. From, what's the place called?
The beach.
The Sand Dollar Beach House. I think that's right.
Beach Island.
Beach Island? We don't know.
Beach house.
The Beach House Sand Dollar. I don't know. One of those. They have really good food. Cam didn't They got really good food. What did we get last time? The curry. Was it curry?
Hot as a
Yeah, we got. Camden, don't do that. Camden, stop screaming. Okay? Okay? Don't do it no more. We got some sauce from there one time. Their food is really good, but that sauce was so hot. Like CJ was like, I can't even, like I feel like I'm not even eating right now. It's so hot I can't even taste the food. We just tasted heat. But it was really good. I think it was like some type of curry. But
no shoes on.
I'm about to let these kids out so we can go to bed. I'm so sleepy.
Hi guys, today we're gonna clean, and yes, we're gonna clean with I'm gonna clean with my mommy, and we're gonna have real fun.
So watch us clean up.
Watch us clean up. I'll be right back.
All right, so we're gonna we're gonna set up shop right here to start us off, and we're just gonna clean. Camden, do not mess with this. You know how it is, y'all. Y'all know how it is. All right, he's eating.
Come on.
One thing about Camden, he gonna come back for his food later, his leftovers. All right, ready? So first we want to start by cleaning off all of the countertops before we wash. This is for like when we're washing dishes in the bathroom and stuff. Okay?
Let's dust all the cups.
All right, let's start cleaning off the countertop first, Taylor. Pause. Why kids be playing their parents with these drawings, y'all? This is supposed to be CJ. And this is Taylor. This is CJ. I'm weak. She said, I love Dad. Go ahead.
Just finished cutting the grass. That mess is looking like a jungle out there, but looking at these clothes that I got for Cam from H&M.
You gonna show him?
Yeah.
He's gonna show y'all. He's unpacking them right now.
But yeah, some gray jeans.
Those are cute.
I don't think y'all can see them because of the light, but they're gray.
They can't see it?
I don't think, well, they can see it, but
Is
I
it
don't
dark?
think they could.
Is it dark?
Nah, it's good. It's like blue jeans.
The water splashed on my favorite.
He really didn't need jeans, but I still bought him
It
some.
doesn't bleach.
But he still has like a handful. He just needed more shirts than anything.
Stop using this and use a washcloth.
So got him a sweatsuit outfit.
That's the easier one.
That's the top.
That's But Mom, it's so hard to stick in
That's a little
there.
big. Another shirt.
See?
Another shirt. A little sweater. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time.